All of them are jasmine rice. This one is fragrant rice, 142. And this one is stale jasmine rice. This one is jasmine rice. One bag is 5 kilograms. Another jasmine rice, 169. And this is the box office. Always the cheapest one. 155 jasmine rice. The cheapest among jasmine rice. 155. That's refined white sugar. Coconut cream, 38. White sugar is 24.50 for 1 kilogram. This is what I use at home. So this one, the brown sugar, 38. Before it's only 25 or 22 something, and due to the inflation it just went up. Another brown sugar for 28 baht. For oyster sauce, so it's 50 baht, but you have plenty of choices. There is 32 baht. You have the fish sauce for 29 baht. You still have some choices. Oyster sauce, the smallest, the cheapest. 16 is the cheapest one. For soy sauce, there are the prices. So from the Maggi, it's 42. Okay, the difference between white tag and yellow tag. The yellow tag is the price on sale. So this soy sauce worth 30 baht for 500 ml. So for your olive oil, for 1 liter, the price is 389. Soft taste, 500 ml. You have here 201. Sabroso. Coconut oil is 99. You have some choices also. And your rice bran oil. And then the ordinary oils here. 63, this one. It depends on the brand. So this is what we use at home, and it's worth 58 baht. Soybean, but still you have lots of choices. But so far the lowest is 47. This one, the price is 47. Or 45. Lowest so far is 45. There. Palm oil. Oh, there's another 43 here. I didn't see it. 43 there. But it looks yellow, not dark yellow. But this one is light yellow. So you have different vinegar here. So the smallest vinegar is 12. This one. And followed by these prices. It depends on the quantity. And you have rice vinegar, 55 baht. 23 baht for distilled vinegar. And you have sauce. Chili sauce, tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup here, the smallest is 21. It's from Rosa. 43 is the big one. Heinz is smallest is 33. The big is 57. You still have lots of choices, yeah. So it depends on your